The overall goal of this procedure is to demonstrate how to fabricate the hand active sensation test, or HASTe. This is accomplished by first gathering all of the necessary materials. The second step is to construct the HASTe test objects. Next, assemble a visual screen, which is used during testing. The final step is learning to administer the test using the standardized procedure provided. Ultimately, using the HASTe enables measurement of haptic performance in individuals with and without nervous system pathology.
So we became interested in sensory deficits post-stroke, and we were looking for a test that required little verbal capability, and but also looked at haptics, the ability of the hand to sense objects.
The main advantage of the hand active sensation test is that the simple design of the test objects and the 18-item match to sample design of the paradigm results in a decreased likelihood that language or cognitive impairments would confound the results. It also reduces the likelihood that familiarity with the test objects would affect the results. The implications of this test extend toward measurement of mild and moderate somatosensory impairment because, unlike severe somatosensory loss, mild and moderate deficits are frequently under-recognized by clinicians.
Begin by cutting 21 4-inch pieces of 1.5-inch diameter PVC pipe. Cut a roll of cork into 21 4x7-inch strips. Overlay each cork piece over a 4-inch PVC piece.